Hello! Today we will take the Angry Birds game to the next level by adding some extra stuff to make the game more fun, like boxes, enemies, love the bird, hit the boxes and kill the enemies. I will not add more additions to the game to make it complicated. I will stop there and let you complete the game by adding additions you want, levels, more effects, audio, whatever you want. It's up to you. Okay, now let's move on to the Unity editor to complete the game. Now let's start by searching for obstacles like boxes. This one, download the image and move it to the project, then grab it to the scene, then allocate the box on the scene and resize it. Then let's search for box collider component and add it to the box. Then duplicate the boxes and allocate it on the scene. And then let's run the project. Very nice. Now let's search for a line renderer component and assign it to the green bird. Now let's play with the size and position to look like this. Great. Then go to the bird class and set the position for the line renderer. Then save the changes and go to run the project. Okay, see that white line? Great. Actually, I have forgot to enable the line renderer component when the mouse is clicked and disable it when it's unclicked. So let's do that. Okay, syntax error, fix it. Save the changes and run the project. Now see that when we drag the bird, the white line will appear and will disappear when we lift the mouse. Now we want to show an arrow instead of white line. To do that, let's download an arrow icon, then create a material, then add the arrow icon to the albedo of that material. Set the rendering mode to cutout and the shader to unlit, then transparent. Make it repeat and forest. Then assign the white arrow to the material element. Run the project and now you can see the white arrow, but it is on the opposite direction. To fix the arrow direction, just swap these two lines of code and save the changes and let's check. Okay, seems good enough. Now let's search for enemies. Choose this one and download its package. Move them to the project, then rename them to wherever you want. Then move them to the scene and allocate them. Change its order on layer to make it appear. Resize it, then add box collider and rigid body 2D components, then duplicate it and allocate them on the. Now see when the bird hits the enemy, it falls down. Then add enemy class in order to write the enemy code. Add onCollision enter 2D function to manage destroying the enemies when the bird hit them. Now save the changes and run the project to see if it's work. And it's not work. Actually, I have forgot to add the enemy class component to the enemy items. So let's do that. And again, run the project. Notice that when the bird hit the enemy, it will disappear. Now let's add a Cinemachine from the package manager and create a 2D camera Add the bird to the Cinemachine component. Let's check. Great. Add a target group from Cinemachine. Then make it multi-targets. Now assign the bird and the enemies to those targets to let the camera follow them. Run the project and the camera follow each one of them. Great. Now we have finished the Angry Bird game by making the bird fly, hit the boxes and the enemies, then destroy them. And now you can add anything you want, like showing some effects when the enemies get destroyed, maybe some audios, adding levels, anything you want.